Hey everybody, today this John Deere Sabre that we got from a good friend of ours that bought a new lawn tractor and just gave it to us, it didn't have a bagger. Well, this lawn tractor is so old you can't get the right bagger for it. So what we ended up doing is we modified a Craftsman bagger to fit on this on the lawn tractor. It had that style bracket, so all we did was put the bracket on and it seemed to work, and we also had to adapt the tube down here, and I'd say it works pretty good, right, G Junior?
Yes, it does.
Okay, this is the problem with this bagger. Here, grab that. So you go, well, you flip the seat up, you flip this up. When you grab these, the cans, first thing, are in two pieces. So when you're going to go dump the can, you have to set this down, push that down, lift this up, and then when you turn this over to dump it, they want you to hold on to this. It's like impossible. It needs a handle here. So we went to the hardware store and we have got ourselves just a couple of cheap pulls, and we're going to take and put them right there. So when you have, so this will give you one hand to operate the baskets while you use the other hand to try to fight the bag. Okay, so the handles did come with some self-tapping screws, but I don't think they're going to last. So we're going to go ahead, and I have some of these stainless steel screws and locking nuts that we're going to use. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our drill bits, and we're going to find out what size hole we need to open them up to. Looks like 3/16 will be good. And of course these bolts won't fit, so we're gonna have to open these up too. So let's be safe so we don't hurt ourselves. We're just going to go ahead and just clamp it into our little vise, grab our drill, just drill it through. Doesn't take much. There we go. So now back over here. So which way do you think's better? Do you think it'd be better this way or this way?
No, I think this way's better.
You think that way's better?
Yeah.
I think so too. So we're going to line it up in the center best as possible. We'll go ahead and we'll pop some holes in here. All right. Now I know these things are extremely long, but we'll get in there and we will cut them off. We'll probably use our Dremel tool to cut them off. So there's the first bolt, and these are stainless steel bolts, so they won't rust. All right, and then I also have some small washers that I'm going to put on the inside. So now I know the problem with this is the cans won't sit, but I'm not too worried about that because they never sit on the ground. They just they're hung on the back of the rest of the bagger. And these are 10mm nuts. Let's have. Come on.
There you go.
What did I do with the
10mm?
No. The I'm gonna use this. All right. Do you want to get in there with that and on the nut, and I will fasten them? What do you want?
I'm on
this side?
Yeah, that side.
All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good.
Right, the other side, ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, so let's try it real quick and see if it's better. So like I said, these slide in. So when you take them out, you end up going like this, grabbing it, and then you usually put it in a bag and you flip it, and yeah, that is so much better. So there's a quick little tip for you. To keep, you know, this is very hard to grab here. I think that's why they did this, was to make it so you could use that as a grabber.
Yeah, but it's very awkward.
It's very awkward.
Yeah, like usually one hand, I can't explain it, but sometimes I even.
Yeah, you can't do it with one hand either. It's like
it's
just not enough, and then the bag's full. So like I said, I know that the thing can't sit on the ground anymore level, but I don't think that's going to be an issue. I think this is going to be better. And if I wanted the can to sit more level, I could just take and screw another block of wood here and here and make it sit level. So, all right, we got 2 more to do, but I think this will definitely make this a lot easier to use to dump the baskets. Alrighty, everybody, this was just a really quick one about something stupid, but we thought we'd show you what we're doing. Like I said, this Craftsman bagger kind of works on this John Deere, but that was kind of a pain in the butt when you go to empty the bags. You had nothing to grab onto. Now you have a good handle to grab onto, and I think the nuts and the bolts will really do good with the washers. All right, everybody, just a real quick one. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my and more videos that we're doing on all the lawnmowers.